Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use ClipChamp video editor. First, we have to download and install the ClipChamp. You can go to its website to download it, but the easiest way to download it in Windows is to go to the Microsoft Store and there search for ClipChamp. And then you will see this one, Microsoft ClipChamp. Simply open it up and click for download it. Once you have downloaded it, it will just take a while in the installation process and then you're good to open it and use it. Once it gets open, you will see this interface. This is how it looks. On the left side, we have all these elements that we have into this video editor. First, we have the home. Here we have the option to create a new video or create something with AI. Then we have also options like record yourself and text to speech, and these options like templates and whatever you create, it will be there. In brand kit, if you have any company or you create videos for a specific client, you can add the logos and everything, so you can just simply use them to do your work. In templates, you will find the different templates for different platforms and different styles. If you go to home and you click onto this create a new video, it will open a new project. So first you have to import your media like videos or pictures, whatever you like, or you can also get from these options as well. Once you have the video, simply click onto it, paste up there, and the video will be like this. If you want to reduce its duration, if you think the video is too much, then there's a way to do it. You have to click on to at the end, and then after that you have to hold the mouse and just simply move it to the length where you want to keep it. But this is one when you have to reduce the duration. If you want to trim it, like you want to split it, you want to cut a specific part, then click onto this scissor icon and then simply do it again where you want to keep that cut, and in between you can click it, press the delete, and it will get deleted. Then there will be a space. You have to simply set up everything. If you want to reduce the voice, you can also do it by minimizing the volume. And now if you want to add the text on your video in the form of a title or any other thing, you have to click on add text. First you can add the simple text, paste it there, whatever you want to write it, write onto it, and the text will be there. The other way is that we have a lot of different templates for text. You can select any one of these, whatever you like. It will get onto your video, then simply try to edit it as per your preferences. Whatever text heading or whatever you want to add, simply type it there and it will be on your video. If you want to add any audio under the video, you will see the option for add audio. Click onto it. There will be different options like you can use from the templates, effects. If you have any music of your own, you can also get it there and use it. Then we also have the templates. If you want to apply any one of these, you can click onto it, it will be there. Then we have the transitions that happen in between two different clips. There are different options, different styles. Simply choose the one. If you want to add any sort of filter or any sort of effect, then on the right side we have the options for it. You can click onto these filters, click onto any one of these, and it will be applied onto the video. You can apply multiple filters or customize it, and in the effects you can also find bunch of them. Simply select whatever you like the most. Also, if you want to change the speed like reduce or increase, you can also do it, and once you have done that, you can simply export the video in your preferred quality. So that's how you can use ClipChamp video editor. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.